Last class we looked at area and circumference of circles and area of a triangle. We made shapes for parallelograms and trapezoids, so today we're going to get those shapes out so you have your formulas and find the area of those two different shapes. So the biggest thing you have to do is figure out which one it is. Is it a parallelogram or a trapezoid? So you should have your notes out, following along and filling these out in your packet of notes that I gave you a few days ago. So the first thing we need to look at is, well, what is each shape? So if I look at number 1 right here, you see two sides parallel. So therefore this one is a parallelogram. Our area for a parallelogram is simply base times height. So in this case, this is just going to be 10 times 5. So ours is 50. And then again, its area, you have to label it inches squared. Some of us are not doing very good at labeling. You will get counted off for it. So make sure that you are labeling correctly. Your homework might give you some extra values in here, like maybe it's going to tell you that this side is 8. So you have to make sure you're picking the right one. It's always picking the one that has the right angle. Number 2, again, it has two sets of parallel sides, one here, one here. So our area, again, is our base times our height. So that is our 11 times 5, which equals 55. Again, this would be inches squared. Again, they might give you extra information. Make sure that you are only using the information that you need. And when you do your assignment, make sure you're writing me the equation. How did you get your answer? If all you have an answer, you'll miss a point on every problem because they're going to be worth 2 points. Number 3, again, what is the shape? This one is a parallelogram again. So again, it is just your base times your height. So it is 12 times our 7.4. So that would give us 88.8. And again, meters squared since we're finding area. Okay, trapezoids is what number 4 is. I only have one set of parallel sides right here. The other two are not parallel. Therefore, it is not going to be a parallelogram. It's a trapezoid. So our formula for our trapezoid is 1/2 our height times our base 1 plus our base 2. So in this case, 1/2 our height is the dotted line down the middle, so 2. Our bases are what connect it. They might give you extra information. They might tell you this is 3 and this is 2. You have to make sure you pick the two sides connected with our height. Make sure that you do that. They are always the parallel sides. So then this is 4.1 plus 1.7. It doesn't matter which is which. So in our calculator, we need to work all of this out. So you could add and then multiply, however it is that you want to work on this one. This one you should get an answer of 5.8 yards squared. If you're not getting the right answer in the calculator, you're just entering something in incorrectly. Number 5, same thing. Our area is 1/2 times our height, which is 3.8. Then we would have our 5.1 plus 10.9. Again, we're going to put all that in your calculator. You should get the right answer. If you're entering it incorrectly, it is 30.4 miles squared. If you're not getting the right answer in your calculator, come see me. We will figure it out. And our last one, also a trapezoid, so 1/2. Our height is 2. And then 5.7 plus 1.5. It doesn't matter what order you put your bases in. Work all that out in your calculator and you get 7.2 yards squared. So your assignment today is going to have these on it, parallelograms, trapezoids. It's also going to have triangles and it's going to have circles. So make sure you're using the right formulas. If you need your shapes, if you didn't keep them, you can come up. They're sitting on my desk, grab the folder that has your name in it, and then just put it back at the end of class, and I will take care of it from there. If you have questions, come in and see me during seminar. That is all I have for you today.